Hey there, today we're going to talk about care and maintenance of your hardwood furniture. Let's go. So today we're going to talk about some of the daily maintenance you can do and some of the long-term things you can do to maximize the longevity and beauty of your hardwood furniture. We'll start with the basics. One of the easiest, simplest things to do is just dust it every day. You don't want to let dust build up on your hardwood furniture because it's mildly abrasive, and over a period of time you'll find tiny scratches from it. So what we recommend is something like a microfiber cloth or a cotton cloth, slightly damp, not wet, not covered with product. When it comes to products, we recommend almost nothing. A lot of the commercially available silicone-based products like Pledge tend to build up over time, so we're not really a big fan of those. We like a product like Murphy's oil soap occasionally, but for day-to-day maintenance, just a damp cloth is the best thing. Another important thing is to clean up spills right away. One of the worst things for a hardwood product is to have moisture sitting on the top of it. You got your Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, it's going to sit there and condensation will build up on it and you're going to have a little puddle. Don't let that happen, clean it up right away. Over a period of time, if that moisture sits there, it's going to get underneath the finish and you're going to have white, ugly spots show up on your table. So now let's talk about long-term maintenance. Some of the things you can do to help extend the life of your hardwood furniture. We recommend tablecloths, trays, table runners, things like that to minimize the day-to-day scratches. Occasionally, you might even want to use a table pad if you're having a big event. If you use, for example, a small tray in your bedroom to keep colognes, perfumes, a contact lens solution, we don't want any of those liquids to be spilled on your dresser. One of the things that can impact hardwood furniture a lot is temperature and humidity. So you want to try to keep it away from things like an air vent or, for example, a wood stove. Big changes in humidity, big changes in temperature tend not to be good for hardwood furniture. The wood expands and contracts and you're much more likely to see little checks if the hardwood furniture is exposed to that over time. The other thing we could talk about is that wood changes with exposure to the sun. So the furniture will tend to darken over time with increasing sun exposure. So if you're in a room with a very bright window, a lot of sun on it, it's good to move the furniture around or at least protect it from direct sunlight. One of the things that you might see if you have a brand new nightstand, for example, and you put a lamp on it over a course of a couple of months, wood that's underneath the lamp and not exposed to the sun is going to be a much lighter color than the rest of the piece. So it's good to move things around. Another great thing about solid hardwood furniture that in a worst case scenario, it can be refinished. So you can always take the surface finish off and have that redone. These little tips can go a long way toward extending the life of your hardwood furniture. We want your grandchildren to come in and really see the beauty of it 10 years, 20 years, 30 years down the road. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel or put your questions in the comments below.